Hey guys, it's me, Big Mass Test 230 here. Today I got my Hoover Fusion cordless stick, and I'm about to vacuum my whole living room here with it. And if I come in here with litter boxes, there's a lot of litter and stuff all over the place. And before I get started, I'm going to show you the filter. Lift that off. The top is a filter. It's clean. Bottom of it's got a little bit of dirt. It's a secondary filter. It's quite dirty. And yeah, so we'll be looking at these filters after when I'm done and seeing how full we can get this bin. There's some hair, dust, and cyclone. So let's get started. Double tap the trigger, on carpet. It does a really good job at removing pet hair and dirt. Let this stuff on some bin. It's doing a really good job picking up all that dirt and dust and pet hair. It's reasonably loud, reasonably quiet. Does a good job at cleaning up all that pet hair. And it has a pretty good cyclone, I think. So I've used this thing for a while, and I haven't had to clean the cyclone once.